Hi everyone, my name is Brianna and I'm from New Jersey. Currently I am a paraprofessional at a middle school in my school district. I work one-on-one with one student in an ABA classroom. So I am implementing ABA procedures 100% of my days at my current job. I have worked in an ABA classroom for the past 2 years, and 3 years ago I was at a special needs high school where also all the principals there were under ABA procedures. 3 things that I love or already know about ABA. One is that we can teach students effectively who can't already learn in the typical way. So whether that be autism or a learning disability, we can really teach them and get the information across to them in a way that they're going to understand. Another is that everything we do has a reason. The data that we collect backs up everything that we do and shows what's working and what may not be working so effectively. And lastly, something that I love is that I can apply ABA to my everyday life and use it in many aspects. So an interesting fact about me is that I am a cheerleading coach at the high school in my school district. So I actually am learning how to use ABA procedures in my practices as a coach. So things like their sideline chants, I can teach them more effectively how to remember them and things of that nature. And then 2 things that I would like to know more about ABA. One would be to learn how to use graphing as an effective tool. I already know a little bit about it since I've been in the ABA classroom and we graph progress of the students' programs, but I would like to learn more about how to actually make up the graphing that shows specific data, maybe about behavioral behaviors. And then secondly, I would like to know how to implement better behavior programs and procedures and really get down to the root of maybe some of the target behaviors that we're looking at and addressing. I hope you have enjoyed my introductory video. I look forward to watching all of yours as well, and hopefully we have some commonalities that we can connect on, and I hope for a great semester with everyone.